What is tip number 8 for how to get the best of every learning and training program we're doing in our life? Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery. How to achieve our goals and hard desires without giving up. And for the last couple of videos, we've been sharing with you different tips on how to get the best and the most of every training and learning program in our life. And today, we're talking of one important one. And it's look for feedback. When we're at school, we have the teachers, and part of their job is to give the feedback for us, how we're doing in our study, how we're going, what we need to change, what we need to improve, what we need to emphasize on. And very often we are quite afraid and scared to get this feedback. However, the feedback is something really, really crucial and important for all of us, not just in school, but after school, in our life, when we go and even to work, our bosses, our managers, they have to know how to give us a feedback. Very often it's criticism, very often it's not constructive, and that's why we're afraid that we are not doing well and we are not looking for feedback. However, the real good feedback should be constructive feedback. In other words, the good feedback will help us to grow, will help us to improve specific areas in our life, will help us to upgrade and change whatever we need changing, and this is how we grow. That's why we need the feedback from someone, from our teachers, just to really see the right picture and to say, okay, am I doing well or not? Because when we're in the position of students, we do our studies, we do our homeworks, but we're not quite sure if I'm hitting the target, if I'm on the right course. This is why we have the feedback. And as I said, the feedback is really important for all of our lives. So instead of going backward, instead of just accepting criticism or just expecting some bad feedback, I rather go and open myself and say, hey, okay, this is what I'm doing, this is where I'm going, this is my homework. Can you just check it and see if I'm doing well or if I'm not doing well? And it's the same for personal development, it's the same for any studying we are doing, and it's in the same way it's really important for relationships as well, for friendship, just to have a feedback from your friends. How am I doing? Hey, do I need something to change? And of course for work, as I mentioned earlier, when we're at work, we should have the management knows how to give positive, constructive feedback to the employees. It's kind of important work environment. So having a feedback is a good thing. And even if sometimes you have had some bad ones, just move them away. Don't think about them, but focus on the good, constructive, building up feedbacks, which will really help you to improve, to get better. That's why I've put this one as one of the 9 really critical tips and golden rules for how to get the best and the most of every learning and training program in our life. Look for feedback. Don't be afraid of it. The feedback will help you to improve, to mature, to get better, to upgrade, to change whatever needs changing so you can be better today and tomorrow. So don't be afraid of feedback, but look for it. Look for it. Ask for it. Don't run away. Ask for feedback. And this will be really a best tool you can use in your life. And I do remember when I was in my dancing studio, when I was teaching my students, I was showing them how to dance. And after that, I was giving them feedback and I was telling them, no, don't put this leg this way, put it the other way around. Not this left, the other left, the other right leg. And I'm laughing now, but it was really funny moments I have had in my dancing studio. Sometimes people, they don't even know which is the left, which is the right leg, but this is what I'm there, and I was trying and I was doing my best to teach them and to help them to improve in dancing and to tell them, okay, don't look there, look there, turn your body this way, your hand should be that way. And I was just giving them feedback. And my feedback was helping them to improve in their dancing. And that's why they were becoming better and better, because I was there to help them, giving them feedback, what to change, how to change it, and to encourage them when they really improve and do much more better. In other words, look for feedback. The good constructive feedback helps us really to improve and to go forward and to become better and better in what we are doing. And this is related with the resolution mastery and all the lessons we're going to learn in our training program. So look for feedback, don't be afraid, but be open, and this will help you to grow in your life. Thank you for your time, and in the next video I'll share the last golden rule for how to get the best of every learning training program, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for your time. Enjoy your day. Bye.